Hello friends, and welcome to the weekly vlog, episode 13. This guy is leaving us for 2 whole weeks. He's going to Poland with family. He's gonna have a blast. We're gonna miss him. Yeah. Bye, bud. Love you.
Bye.
See you when you get back.
Okay.
All right. Let's give you a ride.
Yep.
I'm here at the salon now. I'm gonna do a little bit of work, and then I'm gonna go home and work out. We are going over my in-laws tonight for dinner. They are having some really good keto-friendly foods. I am going to be fasted today. I'm gonna fast as long in the day as I can. As you know, if you guys follow, I do like to do intermittent fasting. It helps just kind of regenerate those cells and just cleanse the system, and then I can have all my food later in the day. It's easier to stay at a proper calorie intake for the day. And yeah, I just like the feeling. I've got tons of energy. I'll be able to work out and then finish my workout, and we'll see how late in the day that is. I might eat after my workout. We'll see how I feel. But yeah, I gotta do some work here at the salon. Just got finished dropping Andrew off. Gonna miss that guy. He's gonna be in Poland for 2 whole weeks. Lucky guy. We have family out there. And yeah, he's gonna have a blast. All right, guys, let's get on with the day. Alright, I'm back home. I need to work out, and I do not feel like working out. It's just one of those days I don't feel like it, but I want to get in a quick hit workout. So what do I do when I don't feel like working out? I do this once in a while. I take some pre-workout. I like this one. This one's very good. It's inexpensive. On makes it. Pre-workout. You can get it on Amazon. I'll put the link down below. 1 scoop of this, and I'll get some energy. Get my workout done. And no, it will not break my fast. It's 5 calories. Stick to coffee, black coffee, stick to water and seltzer, and you're good to go. Nothing with calories, and you won't break your fast. But a pre-workout every now and again while you're fasting, 5 calories, it's not gonna break your fast. Blueberry lemonade, my favorite. Bottoms up. Woo!
Kickin' when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss. If you want some never, just let me know.
Hey guys, what are we doing?
Going in the pool.
Yeah?
And I hope you subscribe. Me too. I hope you poop.
All right, it's hot out. We are going in the pool. You get him with the water, Chase?
Yeah. Poop.
Get him. Get him, Parker. Get him.
No.
That was an awesome workout. I didn't want to do it like I said, but I pushed through. I used my intuition. I basically picked 4 exercises. And sorry, the kids are really loud in the background. They're swimming in the pool, having fun. But yeah, I picked 4 exercises. So I did those push-ups with the weights into curls, and then we did shoulders. And we did each one, I only used 25 pounds. Use a weight that you can do around 12 to 20 reps with. And then you want to do all those 4 exercises. Oh, sumo squats was the 4th one. So I went from each one, as you saw, and then I went back. So started with the push-ups. Just got squirted with water. So we went from push-ups to curls to presses for the shoulders and then to sumo squats. And we did each one to failure with no rest. Then we took a rest after all those 4 were done, and then we went backwards. So we started with the sumo squats, to the shoulder presses, to the curls, to the push-ups. I did that about 10 times each set. So it took me about a half an hour. Great HIIT workout, got the heart rate up, hit some weights, felt good. I'm glad I pushed through it. Now we're chilling at the pool. I have a new toy to play with. We are fortunate. We got this little GoPro Session 4 as a gift. Someone gave this to us, and yeah, we're gonna give this a try in the pool. Check it out. We really like our Yeelight. If you want to check out the Yeelight review that I did, go to my YouTube channel, or I'll put the link somewhere around here or whatever, and you can check that out. And now we're testing out the GoPro Session 4. We'll see how this bad boy does compared to the Yeelight. We're sinking the boat. We're sinking the boat. Thanks. It is currently 3 p.m. in the afternoon. I still have not eaten anything. I'm getting a little bit hungry, but we are going over to my in-laws to have lots of good food in about an hour. So I just want to prolong it just one more hour because I'm going to eat all my calories there. Feeling good, feeling refreshed, feeling cleansed. I feel like I have plenty of energy. All is good. But hey, I have 2 things that when I am getting hungry, what I have to kind of just prolong. So I want to go 1 more hour. So one thing is black coffee. So I'm going to have a black iced coffee. That'll help get me through the hour. One other thing is seltzer water. It's basically just carbonated water. This does have a lemon lime flavor to it. It's Hannaford brand. Whatever brand you like. They're good. There's no calories. They won't break your fast. And the carbonation will help kind of make you feel full. So 2 little tricks to help prolong your fast. Heading to the store real quick to pick up some spiked Smirnoff seltzers for later on. They're only 1 carb, excellent keto choice. You can have a few of those. They are by far my favorite now. I do like many of them, but the Smirnoff, they did a really good job. Also, I have to pick up some Fritos, not keto. I'm not having any of those, but we made this sausage dip. If you have not checked it out, go to my Instagram. And the new IGTV, I released a 1-minute recipe video of my sausage dip. It is the best sausage dip. It's so good. But if you're doing keto, you can have it with pork rinds, or I'll probably have it with some celery. And yeah, it's really good. So check that out. It's at Dugans over on Instagram, the Instagram TV. I am releasing some videos over there as well. So check it out. All right, I got to get to the store. Yeah, the Fritos are for everybody else that's not doing keto, because the sausage dip is really good with Fritos if you're not following a ketogenic diet. So check it out. Try the dip. Only 3 ingredients. It's so good.
Looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and win a kiss on. If you want some, never.
Whoops.
Guys, see how fast I can go.
Do it. All right, conversation of the night. Parker says that he wants to, what, work out
Be a poop.
and be a poop because he's gonna eat crappy food. Right? But what happens? What do you want to do? You want to eat healthy foods, right?
I eat both.
You eat both healthy foods and a little poopy foods? Yeah, you can at this stage, I guess. Right? But
I'm not on keto.
I know you're not on keto, that's fine. You want to work out and eat healthy foods, right? And then you get them gains. Look at that. Look at that muscle. Whoa. Look at that, guys. That's from eating healthy food and working out. It takes two. It takes two things. It's that simple. Eat healthy foods and work out. Yeah. What?
Daddy, go in there and
I'm not gonna walk into the wall. That's so silly. Your turn. You walk into the wall.
Okay, which way did I go? Oh, this way.
Oh no. Good night, buddy.
Good night.
I love you. Have a kiss. Mwah. Good night. No. I love having kids. They're so, you guys are so great. Oh my God. Tiny humans are awesome. Woo. Have kids. They say it's fun.